everyone, I recently moved houses and previously I used to live in a studio apartment all by myself and it was so fun and amazing until the lockdown hit. I was all alone, salaries were less and I couldn't afford it anymore. Well, this is my new house. Technically it's not really a house because I just rented a room. So this room is my house. I share the living space and the kitchen with two other girls. So I wanted to do a room tour. Keeping the space aside, I'm actually genuinely happy in this house and I didn't think I would be able to share my house with someone else and be okay with it, but I'm genuinely happy, and even if things go back to normal, touch wood, I wouldn't want to change this house. So this is my room in my new house. To give you snippets of the house, this is what the living room looks like. It's quite spacious, very airy. We do have a little dining sitting area here. This is the beautiful kitchen. I'm sharing this bathroom with my fellow housemate who's so nice. There's a lot of storage space here which I really love and appreciate, but I won't show you, it's like really ugly. About the fridge, I just have one level of the fridge to really adjust. Then over here are my housemates' rooms, so I won't show you. And right here we enter my room. This is the daytime view of my room. If you can see, the previous housemate left this beautiful tapestry as a curtain because curtains are not allowed to be put. She did leave this beautiful chest of drawers as well, in which I fit all my stuff. I have a little God center. I love the amount of storage that I have. This is what dreams are made of. Now this is the glorious study table that Chanel and I built. I'm super duper proud of it. I do have this mirror which I picked up from my previous house. Look at this! Oh my god. So these are my bags for my flights, of course. I have to give that Christmas tree to Chanel. This is my fan for the room, but this, yeah, had to hide it. Well, I don't know if the room is complete yet. If I want to do something else, I don't know. But so far, this is my room. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you want to see the house tour of my previous houses, how I moved and everything, I'll link the videos down below and on the screen. If you could just do one tiny thing for me and like this video at the end, I would really appreciate it. Can't wait to read your comments and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.